What if you could launch your first income stream online in just 7 days? No coding, no followers, no big budget, just you, a laptop, free AI tools, and a clear plan. That's exactly what I want to show you today, and why I created the AI Side Hustle Playbook. Here's the truth. Most people are playing with AI right now. They're testing ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, Midjourney, maybe even Pictory or 11 Labs. And sure, they're having fun, but they're not actually turning that into income. Meanwhile, there are thousands of people already building ebooks, creating faceless YouTube channels, freelancing smarter, writing newsletters, even selling prompt kits, and they're making money every single week. The problem is, if you're just starting, it feels overwhelming. Where do you begin? How do you choose between digital products, freelancing, YouTube, or affiliate marketing? And most importantly, how do you actually take action instead of just watching tutorials? That's why I built this playbook. It's not theory. It's not another list of 100 ways to make money online. It's a step-by-step roadmap that walks you through 7 proven side hustles powered by AI. First, you'll learn how to create and sell digital products with ChatGPT and Canva. Imagine turning your ideas into ebooks, planners, or Notion templates you can sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Create once, sell forever. Second, you'll learn how to freelance with AI. Even if you're not an expert, you can offer resumes, blog posts, or social media content with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. Clients care about results, not whether you used AI in the background. Third, we cover faceless YouTube channels. No camera, no voice, no problem. With ChatGPT writing your script, 11 Labs creating the voice, and Pictory building the video, you can launch a channel without ever showing your face. Fourth, you'll see how to create newsletters or blogs that actually make money while you sleep. AI helps you generate content fast, and you can monetize with affiliate links, sponsorships, or your own products. Fifth, I teach you the model of drop servicing. That's selling services and outsourcing the delivery. With AI, you can even handle most of the work yourself, or you can just focus on sales while freelancers do the rest. Sixth, you'll learn how to earn passive income with affiliate marketing. This is about recommending tools you already use like Canva or Jasper and letting AI help you create blog posts, email newsletters, and reels that run 24/7. And seventh, you'll discover how to create and sell prompt kits and AI templates. If you know how to get good results from AI, other people will pay to save time. You can bundle prompts for freelancers, coaches, job seekers, and sell them directly. But here's where the playbook goes beyond just ideas. It includes a complete 7-day launch plan. This is a step-by-step action guide to take one of these methods and go from zero to launch in 1 week. It tells you exactly what to do each day, from setting up your accounts, to creating your product, to designing your cover, to posting your first promotion. And because I want you to stay on track, I've included a Notion content tracker. This bonus tool helps you organize your ideas, keep track of your progress, and make sure you're actually moving toward your first sale. Think about it. If you started today, by this time next week, you could already have your first product online, your first freelance gig delivered, or your first YouTube video published. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't even need experience. All you need is the willingness to take action and a clear roadmap to follow. So if you're ready to stop consuming content and start creating income, grab your copy of the AI Side Hustle Playbook today. The link is right below this video. Start small, grow fast, and let AI help you build the future you want. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you build.